morning students. In this video I will show you some basic things about Microsoft PowerPoint software. So let's start. Let's see how to open your PowerPoint software in your computer. For that we will first click on the start button. After that we will go to Microsoft Office section. We will scroll down and we will click on Microsoft Office. And after that we will click on PowerPoint. As you can see, a new PowerPoint window will appear in your computer. Then we will click on the blank presentation for inserting a new blank slide in our window. So here it is, a blank slide appear. Here we can make any changes and we can make any presentation which we want to make. Before starting, let me tell you some basic things that we are going to use in this presentation. First is we will use, of course, we will use text. With the help of text, we will write the content of our presentation and we will write the topic also. And you can see here is a ribbon. Ribbon is a section which contains all the tools and it is just below the title bar. Okay, so in ribbon there are various groups are given. First group is clipboard, then slides, then font, then paragraph, drawing and editing. These 6 groups are given under the home tab. In this presentation we will use slide, font and paragraph group. Okay, we will use font group for inserting color, for changing the writing. We will use slides group for inserting any new slide or for changing the layout of our current slide. So let's start. For typing anything, just click on inside the placeholder. As you can see, this dotted box is known as the placeholder, which help us to insert any text in our slide. We can adjust the size of the page holder also with the help of these dots given at the side, and we can also change the layout of placeholder with the help of this layout option under the home tab in slides group. Click on layout and here you can choose different types of layout for your presentation. Suppose I just want to insert the title on the first slide. So I will use the title only placeholder, that is title only layout. Here you can see only one dotted box is given. Let's make a presentation on benefits of doing yoga. Okay, so let's start typing. First let's choose a good handwriting for our presentation. Let's choose this one and let's choose a color. Okay, then type benefits of yoga. Benefits of yoga. Okay, you can change the alignment of this text by using this center alignment. You can increase its size also. Just select your heading and increase its size from here. Okay, now we will add design to our slide. You all know that in PowerPoint we can add different types of designs in our slide. For inserting any design in our slide, click on the design tab. Then choose any design from this. Different options are given. Click on this arrow and a drop down menu will appear which contains all the designs. Let's choose this one. Here the color of the text is changed according to the design, but you can again change the color according to your choice. Okay, you can increase the size of the placeholder, and let's write your you can also write your name under it. Decrease the size. Presentation by, here you can write your name, like my name is Shivani, so I will write Shivani. Presentation by Shivani. Okay, after that we need to write the benefits of doing yoga as well. Let's bring it at the center. Yes, we can also adjust the location of our text by using this placeholder. Just click on the placeholder, move your arrow at this point at the center. Here you can see 4 arrow options under the cursor. Click it and drag. Here you can adjust the location also. Then we need to add more slides, because a presentation is a combination of more than one slide. So we will create one more slide for writing the benefits. For that we will click on new slide under the home tab. From this arrow you can choose the layout of new slide. Let's choose this layout. Okay, let's write the topic here, that was benefits. And here some bullets options are given where we can write different types of benefits of doing yoga. So when we do yoga, it increases the flexibility of our body. So let's write that point. Increase flexibility. Then press enter button on your keyboard and move to the second line. It helps us to increase the blood circulation of in our body. It promotes proper blood circulation. By this way you can add as much as point you want. If you again want to insert any new slide, then again click on the new slide and a new slide will get inserted. Now suppose if you want that the design you want to change the design in any particular slide, like here is a green color design and you want to change it for this particular slide only, then go to the design tab, choose any design and right click on it. अब आपको left click नहीं करना. If you want to apply design on any particular slide, just right click on it and click on apply to selected slide. So only the selected slide design will be changed. Here we can again change our writing by selecting the text. Okay, we can change the color also if we want. After completing your presentation, we need to save it for future, and let's follow the steps for saving. Steps are as same as you used to do in MS Word. Just click on the File tab, click on Save As, choose a location, like I am choosing desktop. Give a name to your file. Here it is already written, that is benefits of yoga, and then click on the save button. Okay, by this way you can save your presentation. Now after creating a presentation, we need to see the slideshow also. So for so, uh, s- uh, for showing the slideshow, we need to go to the slideshow tab in the ribbon and then click on the from beginning. Here you can see the slideshow. A slideshow help us to view our presentation in full screen format and help us to get a final picture of our presentation. Like if you want to show pictures to your audience, if you want to present anything in front of other, you always use slideshow option for showing your presentation. We can use arrow button and mouse click for changing the slides. This slide was empty, so it is showing like that. And for ending the slideshow, press on escape button, ESC button on the keyboard. If you want to delete this slide, then because this slide is of no use for us for this time, then right click on it and click on delete slide. If you want to change the position of the slides, you can also do that. Just click any slide and drag it. By this way, you can change the position of the slide also. So students, I hope you must have understand all these basic things. Try this at your home, create a presentation. The topic which I am sending you, create a presentation on that. And if you have any doubt, then you can ask me. Okay, take care everyone. Bye bye.